Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing another nail show video, and I have picked this beautiful black hollow from Born Pretty store, and I will have it listed in the description box below, so check it out for the name and everything. But I wanted to talk with you guys about why I've been a little bit off YouTube, and I know it's been maybe 10 days, and the reason is because I broke my long natural nails, and it's such a bad break that my nails are super short at this point that I am filming this voiceover. I pre-filmed this video for you guys before I have cut all my nails super short because I didn't want to leave my YouTube channel without any content, because I upload every other day and it was so hard for me to think of the ways what can I do, and I had to take this little break. This is my other hand that I am painting, and I'm actually painting this color because I really love it myself, and I just wanted to show you as well. And I wanted to actually have a video for you up, even though the video after this one will be update on how I broke my nail, so you will see everything in that video. I made it very nicely and updated you guys on what happened, and I think it will show you actually perspective on what happens when you break your super long nails. And this was very bad break. I don't really want to go on and on about it because I know that for some people that is not a big deal, and obviously it's not a big deal, but it is when you're making videos about it. I mean, I like my short nails as well, but you'll see my nails are super short. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy this video and enjoy this beautiful hollow nail polish. I absolutely adore it. It's so pretty, and I have videos that I have to do. One is from Madame Glam. They have sent me some PR package, and also some from Born Pretty store as well, which is super awesome because it gives me more like options to show you guys. So I have those videos that I have to film for you and share with you what I picked. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that as well. I hope you're having a great day. Try to stick to positive vibes and let go of negatives, even though I've been battling some negative vibes recently. But no, positivity is much more fun, and it's much more powerful to be positive than negative, trust me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in comments because I want to hear your feedback, and I always love chatting with you in comment section, so meet me there. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.